everybody, Traveler Tyler here. I have made it to Battambang in Cambodia. It's about 2.5 hours or so away from Siem Reap. It's kind of on the other side of the lake. Yeah, on my way to my hostel. Should be pretty nice. I think I have my own room. Not really 100% sure what there is to do around here, but we'll find out.
Hello.
Hello. So I've only been in Battambang for a few hours now, and I absolutely love it. Everyone is just so chill, laid back. It's still, you know, fairly developed, but it's not super crazy hustle and bustle. Everybody's kind of walking at a leisurely pace. All along the river, there's these parks with grass and like workout equipment and little playgrounds. And there's a bunch of them all along each side of the river. And people just congregate here, families or, you know, couples sharing a meal. And there's a bunch of kids playing everywhere, and everyone's just like laughing and having a good time. And it's I don't know, it's nice to walk around here. Everyone I smile at like genuinely smiles back at me, and it's just, you know, it's nice. Yeah, I'm loving it here. Okay. So I just took the bamboo train to this little village. It's pretty cool. When you get off, there's people trying to sell you stuff, but I mean, you know, they got to try to make a living too. It was a lot of fun, actually. Hello. Yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of walk around a little bit and check out the village. The bamboo train ride was like 15 minutes, maybe 20, if that. So yeah, not a whole lot going on around here. The train ride itself was pretty fun, I will say that. Otherwise though, they'll walk around like the villages. They said we could explore the villages, but yeah, it's not really much. Still cool though. Let's hop back on our train, huh? To go to this Baha'i house of worship, and apparently it's a Baha'i holiday today, so they are closed. So we're just going to have to find something else to do. Looks nice though. All right, ended up going back to my hostel. I had a little salad. Went around to a couple of different galleries that are in the area, which were really cool. Human rights one was really cool. I think it's called Faces or something like that. But yeah, had a good time doing that. Now I'm gonna head down to a mountain that's in the area. It's got the Killing Cave, which is a very sad, unfortunate little piece of history that I'm gonna check out. And the Bat Cave is right there as well. And I guess during sunset or dusk, all the bats will fly out and you get to see just millions of bats. So I'm looking forward to that. I've arrived at the Killing Cave. It's about 30 minutes or so outside of the city. So, and it's on the same mountain that the Bat Cave is on. So should be a short drive from here to there. Hello. Blue? Yes.
Blueberries.
Blueberries. Uh-huh. Hello.
Hello.
It's gonna be quite dark. I don't know how much you'll be able to see. So this specific Killing Cave was one of the places during the Khmer Rouge in the 1970s where they would just kill people. They would throw bodies in there. And that glass case of bones, those are actual bones that they took from that cave and placed there as a memorial. It's pretty sad, and there's a lot of places around here that are like that, unfortunately. Made it to the Bat Cave. There's a lot of people here. This is gonna be pretty cool. Got a couple, a reclining Buddha. You see the Buddha? It's just built out of the side of the mountain. Very cool. They're still under construction. These are new, as far as I've heard. I think they're all gonna come out of there. I can kind of hear them in the distance. They're getting louder. I don't know if you can hear it. So these are called wrinkle-lipped bats, and there's over 1 million of them in this specific area, and they fly up to 50 kilometers every single night and eat 50 to 100% of their own body weight. The amount of insects that they eat ends up saving something, how much was it? Ends up saving over 2,000 tons of rice every single year. Pretty cool. It's enough for 21,000 Cambodians annually. I thought that was a pretty cool fact. Ooh, they're starting to come out. That's awesome. Apparently they go for like 15-30 minutes, sometimes up into an hour. I'm gonna get out of here now because I think the traffic is about to get real bad. And I want to get home before dark. I don't like riding scooter in the dark. It's not good. All right, y'all, that is it for Battambang. I'm waiting for a bus right now. It's gonna take me to Kampot. What's up, everybody? Traveler Tyler here. I have arrived in Kampot. I got here last night. Basically just had some dinner and went to bed. I was pretty tired. Woke up this morning and rented a scooter. I am making my way up Bokor Mountain in Bokor National Park in Cambodia. And it has been a beautiful drive so far. I'm about halfway up. Take a look. All right, gonna hop back on my little scooter here and keep on driving. We made it, we're at the top. Nice. Wow, it's just so amazing. That's all the Gulf of Thailand. Right out there. I think that island is Phuoc or Phuoc. I don't know exactly how to say it, but that's a Vietnamese island actually, if I'm correct. There's a little house down there. Let's go check it out, huh? The sign says that this is called the Black Palace and it was King Sihanouk's residence. It was built by brick and black wood in 1936. What a great spot for a house, huh? I went down this little path that looked like it kind of had like a little motorbike trail and found this too. This must have been part of his house. Wow. I don't know about the structural integrity of this place. It's gonna collapse right on me, I know it. That'll be the end of Ty. The end of Tyler's travels. At least I'll have it on video. Whoa. All right, I think I'm just gonna, ooh, I look good, don't I? I think I'm just gonna keep heading up around the mountain. I think there's like a little village up there of some sort, so we'll check it out. A few old like churches and abandoned places or something like that, so we'll see. So this whole area on this side of the mountain is all under construction. I don't know if you can see far away, but there's just tractors everywhere and bulldozers and a lot of rubble. So they're gonna be building this place up big time. All right, I've made my way to an old abandoned church. It looks pretty cool. Let's go check it out. Look at that. So I think these abandoned buildings, we're gonna visit some more as well that I know are around here. I think that this was like a French resort in the 1920s. I could be wrong about that, but I think that's what I read somewhere. And they've been long since abandoned. Wow. So cool. And there is I see a little trail, a little stone trail going up, so I'm gonna check that out, see what that's all about. All right, it was a little quick 30-second trail, made it up to the top. There's the church. I came from that way. I'm gonna go further that way and look at this view. Look at that. Oh, it's amazing. Gulf of Thailand. And like I said earlier, I'm pretty sure that that's Phuket Island. Phuket. I don't know how to say it. Wow. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that old hotel. That's cool. He said we can't go up to it, but we can walk around it and look at the view and everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. So walking away from that old hotel, there are some more abandoned buildings, and we cannot drive up there. I have my bike parked up there. There's the hotel, but we can walk. So I'm gonna take a little stroll and check it out. It's a cool little villa right here. And then there's another abandoned hotel. Looks pretty cool. Oh, Fox. My little brother Fox would be loving this right now. I'm gonna switch to my iPhone because I'm sure that the video quality isn't so good on this. I'll record it with that as well. More old buildings. I don't think I can go that way. Nope. I think people live there. There's clothes hanging out to dry and trash, and there's also fish drying in the sun, so I don't really know if they're just squatters or what the deal is. But yeah, pretty sure this place up here is abandoned though. Honestly, I'm not really 100% sure if it's abandoned. I don't want to really be going up and taking videos of it if somebody's kind of hanging out or living there, like that place back there. So I'll just keep on going, keep on exploring. So this is an old hotel and casino. I'm gonna see if I can get in there. I think there's still people here. Like, I think people can stay here. Let's see. Locked up the wheel because I don't really know what's going on around here, but it says Sky Bar Casino. What? Let's see, huh? Yeah, this place is definitely open. Not too busy. This looks crazy. It's huge. Absolutely massive. I don't want to go too far because I don't want to intrude. But yeah, check out inside a little bit more. This is a casino. What? Oh. He said the casino was closed, but I don't think so. I think he looked at me and went, nah, not this guy. This guy don't look like he has any money. Let's grab a beer, huh? That was pretty cool. Honestly, it was very eerie because of how empty it was, but nice to have a beer and some peanuts. Now I know there's like a lake around here somewhere, so I'm gonna try to find that and check it out. I'll see you there. Where the hell would you look at that? Looks like there's a little dock. There's a big hotel up there. It's not open right now. I think it's like a very, very expensive one. I think this place is very popular with the Chinese, like Bokor Mountain specifically. And I know that the Chinese still aren't really running around yet because of COVID. So I'm sure once that, once China releases their people, I'm sure this will be picking right back up again. Quite lovely. Alright, that was just about all I wanted to see here. Time to head on back. I think it's about like an hour drive away to the hostel, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. Alright, I am back in Kampot. I guess there's this city nearby, this coastal city called Ket, that's supposed to have really, really good crab. That's kind of what they're known for. So instead of going 30 minutes to that city, I'm just gonna get some really good crab from Ket here. One of the staff members at the hostel I'm staying at gave me a suggestion, or a recommendation rather, so I am on my way there now to get some good crab. So they didn't have crab, so I got squid grilled or sauteed with like this Kampot pepper sauce. Local stuff. Should be really good. It smells amazing. Let's try it, huh? So many veggies too. Oh yeah. This sauce is just like creamy and peppery and just so good. This is gonna be awesome. I want to show you, this is the pepper right here. I guess it's just like before they're dried. And this is just all mixed in. And it's just so, so good. I've never had fresh pepper like that before. Alright, that's it for Kampot. On my way to Korong Salom now. See you there.